Alright, children, today I will tell you about flowers. Okay, children, a flower is the most beautiful part of a tree or plant. Flowers are one of the most beautiful gifts given to us by nature. Flowers are used to greeting people. A flower has different colors and fragrances. Okay, I will tell you few names of different flowers: rose, lily, orchid, lotus, sunflower, jasmine, daisy, marigold, morning glory, bellflower. These are beautiful flowers. Okay, now I will tell you few lines on rose. I'm going to speak few lines on rose. Listen to it very carefully. Rose is the most beautiful flower. Rose is one of my favorite flower. Roses are of many colors such as red, white, black, pink, etc. A rose plant has small and sharp thorn on its stem. Yes, the petals of a rose are soft. They are very soft. Rose has beautiful red petals. Rose has a very pleasant and sweet smell. Alright, children, so I hope you all have understood. Very good.